New machine Chameleon Evo that is for soldering side inspection debut. The design is unified with the flagship model double-sided simultaneous inspection machine, Chameleon Evo W, and the software is shared. The maximum board size is 450 mm by 400 mm. Of course, the one-click autoprogrammer engine also has an overwhelming presence. Uses a roller conveyor that is resistant to flux stains. Simple design considering maintainability. The marble platform, that 130 mm thick marble, is used for the surface plate. Because of the marble platform, even if the camera moves at ultra-high speed, there is little vibration and it does not affect the inspection. Please consider Chameleon Evo and contact to www.ladybirdaoi.com or www.sons.co.jp. Thank you for watching our promotion video.